welcome to my channel. Let's walk downtown Minneapolis. In front of me, that's downtown Minneapolis. I'm going to the Minneapolis, they call it Twin Cities Auto Show at the convention center. Convention center is where you see those domes. That's a Minneapolis Convention Center. So that's where I'm going for 2024 Twin Cities Auto Show. It's gonna be fun. I love new cars. Give us a like, subscribe, support the work. Why not? That's Interstate 94 going west and going east towards Chicago. West towards North Dakota. Once again, walking downtown Minneapolis, going to the Twin Cities Auto Show. If you live in Minnesota,